A flat tire is stressful because it turns into an emergency, and run-flat tires are designed to turn that emergency into an inconvenience. Run-flat tires, sometimes labeled run-on-flat or self-supporting tires, are built with reinforced sidewalls that can hold the vehicle's weight even after a puncture. That means if you lose air pressure, the tire can still carry the car long enough for you to get off the highway and reach a safe location. In many cases, drivers can continue at about 50 miles per hour for roughly 50 to 60 miles, depending on the vehicle load and road conditions. The point is not to drive normally. It is to avoid being stranded on the shoulder changing a tire in traffic or at night. Most run-flat setups also rely on a tire pressure monitoring system because you might not immediately feel the puncture the way you would with a normal tire. If your car uses run-flats, the safest habit is to treat any low-pressure warning as urgent and drive gently to a service location, because the tire can be damaged internally if you push it too hard while it is running without air.